I first learned about the Sound of Change program through an article in the newspaper, and I got a hold of them to find out if I might qualify for the program. I'd thought in the past of getting hearing aids, but never thought I could afford them. I found the service very professional and helpful, and it's really made a difference in my day-to-day life. I obviously hear better. I can watch TV without the closed captioning on. I'm just more engaged. So the donations you've made has made this possible. I wouldn't have been able to get hearing aids otherwise. And the Island Deaf and Hard of Hearing has really been a great help to me.
I got introduced to Island Deaf and Hard of Hearing group, and they introduced me to the Sound Change program. And it's been a miracle in my life. The quality of life has definitely changed. I can get into my car and I can actually hear my blinkers left and right and know to turn them off. That's been a biggie. Music. I had quit listening to music, well, I'd say about 20 years. It sounded like pots and pans. Now I catch myself going in tune with the music, you know, and I'm going, whoa, I didn't know I had those feelings anymore. My soft-toned friends, I can hear them now. TV, I don't have it so that I'm blinding the neighbors with sound. So if you could kindly give your donations to a gift of hearing and make a miracle in someone's life, it would be wonderful.